Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all know, I am Naima and I'm here to tell you about the secrets nobody will tell you about butt how to increase your butt size. This is not a regular um ingredient that people talk about. That's because they would not want to share their main secret with you. So guys, I'm here now to reveal that to you all so you would know and try them out. So guys, this is a product. This is a wild yam. This is wild yam powder. One of the ingredients you need to get for your butt ingredients. This is donkwai. Donkwai is also very effective in the production of the butt cream ingredients. This and guys also the hip hop powder very important. This should not be missing in your mixture. So these are the three powders that you need. Your hip hop powder, your donkwai powder, and your wild yam powder. Yes, I said it. So let's go into the oil. The oil you need for this mixture is macadamia oil, one, flaxseed oil, two, omega-3 fatty oil, three. These are the oil you need, and this powder. These are what you need to mix. These are you mix them properly. I will still tell you how to mix them. Let me just go right into it. So the omega-3 fatty oil, you get 25 ml. The macadamia oil, you get 25 ml. The flaxseed oil, you get 25 ml. The powder, you get 25 ml, 25 ml, 25 ml. Yes, 25 ml. Don't forget guys, 25 ml on for each. But if you want to make for a large quantity, you can also, you increase your ml, that you increase the amount of what you need. So guys, this particular one has been mixed. My oils are in it. Before um I was supposed to record before I mix, but I think I was in a hurry, so I just had to do it immediately. So guys, I did this yesterday and I'm recording this today. This one should be mixed in all the oils. When you pour your flaxseed oil, then you pour your macadamia oil, then you get this, you pour half of it in it. You pour half of it in it. You pour half of it in it. Or rather, you can pour everything as long as it's 25 ml. But me, I'm doing it for a client, so I can't just pour everything in it because you know I can't pour everything. But you that are doing it in your house, you pour everything in it. 25 ml, 25 ml, 25 ml. Then once don't forget I said you pour your flaxseed oil, your macadamia oil, and then you pour all your powders in it. Your hop powder, your donkwai powder, and your wild yam powder. You pour it in it. And then the next thing you're to do is to add your flaxseed oil. Then you mix very well. You mix and you shake. When you mix, you shake. You shake it properly. You shake it properly so it doesn't. You see what I'm saying? Every time, look at the powder on the net. You try as much as possible to always mix, guys. Always shake. So, like I said, you shake. You shake very well because if you don't shake, it just tends to be under. You see, it's underneath. You would not see it properly. I don't know if you're seeing this. It's underneath the powders. So you shake it properly. You shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, so it will mix properly. So that's the secret for a butt cream, a butt a butt oil, the mixture of a butt oil, and you will get like the best result you've ever gotten ever. So guys, this is wild yam, don't cry, and hop powder, your macadamia oil, your flaxseed oil, and your omega-3 fatty oil. Do not forget this ingredient. And once you finish mixing, make sure you store in a cool environment, and it should be used after a week. So you keep it for a week before you can now start applying them. Make sure you always shake them, you always shake them, and you always shake them. That is one of the things you need to be doing. Shake it very well so it mixes properly. Do not forget, after a week, you allow it settle for after a week. Don't forget to always shake as well. Once it settles for a week, then you can now start applying. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for my next video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so when next I upload, you get notified. Thank you guys, and bye.